traders, this is going to be a fairly quick, short and sweet video. Look at this capitulation and look how overextended this is on the daily time frame. So this is now trading into a key liquidity level here. This is chewing into these sell stops that are resting under here prior to this expansion, right? Daily time frame. This has taken out everybody. All these traders who were long in here have been wiped out. I mean, this is really significant. Well, it has a significant impact for a lot of people. Unfortunate, but it's an opportunity here to go long, basically, as this eats into this liquidity pool. So I'm looking for this to break structure. So we just go down the time frames, and have a look at this price range. And look, I mean, I'm going to be definitely bottom feeding around here for sure. But, this is going to pull back, I would say. We've got like a significant imbalance. Well, it even starts up here. There's an imbalance there. The market's going to look to rebalance for one thing, but, my bias is bullish for silver, generally speaking. In any case, look, we don't know. The markets are crazy at the moment. Geopolitical events that are going on are really stirring things up. It's a crazy time, and I'm just going to follow the chart pretty much. So I think I would look to counter trend trade this. There's a couple of targets, and they would be these two imbalances, as in this is one-sided trading bearish here through this candle, and one-sided trading through this candle here. So it's a bearish imbalance. Right, so these two areas are key areas for a point of interest. I'm basically just going to be sitting on the 15-minute time frame, looking for this to break structure. You want to be a little bit careful because we could look, the algos are programmed to hit liquidity. There's going to be a ton of traders going long. They're going to be buying up at this level. So what we get then is this range. So I'm just going to watch this range, and the thing to look out for is going to be, just grab my pencil. Watch out for a bit of a fake out, and then possibly a shakeout, and then the displacement. Okay, just be careful. Don't jump in too eagerly on the first break above this range here. I mean, look, that could trade north, but I think the key thing that I'm going to be looking for is going to be the displacement. Look for the volatility above and below the range, but the displacement is important. So if this trades off with speed and creates a long, thin candle, in other words, we get a bullish imbalance. Okay, so look for a candle where there's nothing left and right of it. Watch for that. I think that's going to be the key. And then when it pulls back down and rebalances, I think that would be the cue for me. All right, so that's what I'm looking for. Watch for break of structure and displacement or imbalance. The retrace and then buy on retrace into the imbalance. I mean, that's my game plan at the moment for silver. Yeah, I mean, look, guys, and be careful because this could head further south aggressively. So you want to wait, like, I mean, on the 15-minute time frame, just wait. See how we've got the 15-minute currently trending down. You want to wait for this to break this trend bullish, and then, come back in and retest the high of the range. But more important, I'm looking for this candle, this thin candle here. That will tell us that big money is involved and their bias would be bullish, right? Only big money can cause an imbalance, basically. That's the bottom line. So, if this ranges, they could accumulate here, and given the volume that they trade with, this pushes off with a vengeance and creates this imbalance, right? So that's the theory behind it. Okay, guys, so look, that's my game plan for silver. I really want you to comment. Definitely share your thoughts below. And with that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Safe trading. See you with the next one.